Welcome to the SUNLIKE 30W Retrofit Installation Guide video. The SUNLIKE 30W has a round trunnion mount for round poles and a square trunnion mount for square poles. The maximum size of the round trunnion is 4.7 inches, and the minimum is 2 inches. The maximum size for the square trunnion is 4 inches, and the minimum is 2 inches. For retrofit projects, you can mount the trunnion on an extending arm. Secure the trunnion in this order. The trunnions are adjustable. Adjust the angle of the fixture. Please access panel angle chart in the installation manual or on our website at www.soltechlighting.com. Then tighten screws and secure. The light module is also adjustable. The SUNLIKE 30W also has a slip fitter mounting accessory. The maximum size of the slip fitter is 2.5 inches and it has a depth of 6 inches. For retrofit projects, you can slide the slip fitter on an extending arm. Secure the slip fitter in this order. The slip fitter is adjustable. Adjust the angle of the fixture. Please access panel angle chart in the installation manual or on our website at www.soltechlighting.com. Don't forget to adjust the light module. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit www.soltechlighting.com.